A very beautiful good morning from Tent City, Dhordo. Yesterday night was amazing. Today morning also we will have some breakfast and hot water facility, and everything was so good. After Haji Pir Dargah, we came here to visit Mata No Mad. It's a temple of Ashapuri Mata. Hi everyone, here we are at Lakhpat. Lakhpat is the last village near India-Pakistan border, and Lakhpat fort is surrounded by Lakhpat village. The fort is 7 km long and the border is about 24 km away from this village. Hi everyone, we are here at Koteshwar temple, and it is very near to the sea. And Narayan Sarovar. Narayan Sarovar is just like 500 meters or 1 kilometer from here. We are here at Shri Trivikram Raichi Mandir. And this is Narayan Sarovar. We are staying at Amba Mata Temple, Godhra, and Prasad is closed by now. We are having our dinner in this canteen. Hi everyone, we are here at Amba Mata Temple, Godhra, and we stayed here yesterday night. The facility and everything were so good, and the temple is so beautiful. There is one exhibition over there. We'll go and watch that now, and there are some temples nearby. We just finished watching this exhibition, and there are 3 parts of it, and the last one is Vaishnav Devi Gufa, and you should must watch this. It is so good. All the creativity were awesome, and we are having our breakfast in the same canteen we had dinner yesterday night. And this place, Ambe Mata Temple, Godhra, is just 15 km away from Mandvi. So if you are nearby Mandvi, then please visit this place. Here we are at Vijay Vilas Palace, Mandvi. We are here at Vijay Vilas Palace, and this palace is made by the same king who made Aina Mahal and Parag Mahal in Bhuj. the movie Hum Dil De Chuke Hai Sanam and the Commando, and yeah, so both of these movies shot here. Here we are at Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma birthplace. He is a great freedom fighter. Shyamji Krishna Verma Memorial also exists in Mandvi. It is the best place to visit. Hi everyone, look at this. This is beautiful Mandvi beach at Kutch. And it's like clean, not too dirty. And we can see the wind farm also over here. And there are some beach activities also going on. I love Mandvi. There is one lighthouse also we can see from here. And there are some food stalls are here. And now we'll eat some Malai Gola. Lighthouse of Mandvi. We are here at Vandhai at our Kurdevi Darshan. It is like half an hour way from Mandvi. We found this black sugar cane on our way to Bhujedi, and according to my brother, this sugar cane is so sweet than the greener one. Hi everyone. Here we came at Bhujodi village near Bhuj. It's 8 km from Bhuj, and it's our bad luck today that it is closed on Monday. This is Vande Mataram Memorial in Bhujodi, and it is exact replica of Parliament of Delhi. The market is also almost closed. There are 2-3 shops are open. We are buying some kurtis from here. They are good in designs, in full Kutchi work. Here we are at our last stop of the day, and then our journey will be end soon.